Okay, folks, how you doing? This is Keno with STEMwithKeno.com, and I'd like to welcome you to our digital circuit series. Um, what you see here is a circuit board, and what you can see here, maybe I can zoom in. Let's see if we can zoom in here. You can see the integrated circuits. That's not really good. Here's probably a better one, and I'll show you. I'll get you a better picture of the integrated circuits before a circuit board is finished and the integrated circuits are put in. We actually have to test them, and I'm going to go through a test in this series and actually an experiment. But everybody's pretty much familiar with what a circuit board looks like or a motherboard looks like, and it'll have the integrated circuits all soldered in and stuff like that, so we can like see a bunch of them. So this is the start. What I'll do in the lab is I'll come over to a programmable integrated circuit tester, and we can actually test the pins here. And I'll do a little walkthrough with that. Actually, let me see. I might just do it now. Since we're here, and well, first of all, you need an integrated circuit, and you can't really see. You may not be able to see the notch, but there. If I lean back here, you can kind of see the notch on the top of the integrated circuit, and that is the top side of the circuit. So the pin kind of goes in the top like this, and boom, and then you lock it down. All right, and then we'll come over. I'm gonna edit some of this because I don't want this to be super long. Clear. There we go. So the switch is on the back. We'll turn it on, and it will go through its diagnostics. All right, it'll tell you the version, and it will self-test OK. Now, our circuits, let me see, which one is this? That would have been nice, Keno. All right. This is a 7432. I can see it. It's in very, very fine print, but this is a 7432 circuit. Not circuit, but IC, and our circuits, our integrated circuits, start with 7.4. So I'm going to type in 3.2. All right, and I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to say ready to test. And then I'm going to hit the test button, and the result is that it passed. So what that means is that all the pins are okay on this integrated circuit because we have a pass. So again, you would turn the power on. It'll go through its diagnostics. It will give you the first two digits of the integrated circuit. And so you can see here, I have 7408s, I have 7432s, and I have 7404s. And there's different logic gates that pass through there. So after we get it here, we lock it in. Remember, the notch is on the top, and the top pins go on the top. We lock it down. We come here. I'll hit mode clear. It'll say 74, and the 7432 is what we tested. If we were testing 7408s, we would put in 08s. If we were putting in 7404s, we would just hit in 04 to complete it. All right, but the result is that this passed, and that was a 7432, and we'll release it, and we'll pull it out, and we'll make sure we put it in the right bin, because people just kind of throw these anywhere. Looking at these integrated circuits, you kind of want to look at the bottom. You want to make sure that the pins are there and they're okay, and I'm kind of visually checking here. This is and a magnifying glass really helps. This is a 7408. It was in the right bin. So again, I'm going to hit mode clear. and you notice that the 74 pops up. All right, we look for the notch. The notch is in the top, and so we put the top pins right in the top, and we press this forward to lock it down. Once we lock that down, 08. We got our 74. We're going to put in 0 on the keypad, 8. All right, and then after that, we're going to hit enter. It's ready to test, and then we'll hit test, and the result is that this has passed. If, for some reason one of the pins were bad, it will actually tell you the pin that's bad. This has 14 pins. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we count the pins counterclockwise, and I'll, go through that in another tutorial. So that's it for right now. We showed where the integrated circuits go, and that is going to be it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'm Kino from STEMwithKino.com. There's this puppy. See you guys later.